In my practice, I am using a lot of essential oils, and today I want to talk about how essential oils can help couples in their regular life and in their bedroom. It's very important to understand that sex is not some separate part of your life. Sex, it's like a top of mountain of your regular life, because it's like a climax where we are most naked, our body, our soul, our desire, our wishes. And in this moment, we are very sensitive. It's very easy to hurt us in this moment. We are most shy in this moment. So today I want to talk about essential oils and how you can choose the most perfect one for you. I did lots of sessions with my clients, and everything good when person, my client with me, doesn't matter, it's a man, it's a woman, or it's a couple. When they with me discuss their problem, everything going quite good. But just they came back home, they feel that something still uncomfortable. And as usual, it's because that space where you are living keep different kind of smells. And what I learned from my experience, that smells, it's like an anchor. Anchor would keeping your memory of some good or bad things. And you need change smell in your house, because, for example, some smell can remind you that you did laundry and in that moment you fight with your wife or husband. And for example, this smell of particular soap for doing laundry can remind you about this bad story, let's say. If you bring in your life something new smell, natural smell, it can help you. Right now I want to give you some quick tour for ladies, and that essential oils what lady can use to improve her mood. For ladies, most of I'm recommending flowers like rose. This oil can help with be less shy, be more out for new sensations, be more able speak out loud about wishes, what she wants, how she wants. Also, it helps be less shy. It means be more open for her partner, be more open to give feedback of everything what he is giving her in intimate moment. Next oil, it's neroli. Neroli, it's an oil what giving your skin the most high level of sensitivity. So your skin will be very sensitive. It means that massage, sensual massage for ladies, what men can give, will be more effective. Her body will give more like pleasant reaction. And this oil very fresh. Compared to sweet rose, neroli, it's for people who love fresh smells. Another type of oil, it's frangipani. It's one of my favorite in my collection. Frangipani making lady feel she is not shaken, she is not making hysteric. She knows her value, and she is very she is and open for new sensation. Let's take one big story, let's say. Lady who are very shy, and for her not easy to say out loud about what she wants. In this situation, I will recommend use rose oil with some musk or with some spicy essential oils like pepper or cinnamon or cardamom. So let's say to this rose oil you can add some spicy note to improve lady's mood, that she will be able to talk out loud. For men, it's more woody smell. It's like cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli also, or root like vetiver. We are all different. We need different support.